awesome day for WNG. We have very good turnout. We don't have this kind of turnout, and we are very honored by your presence. Just to get started, I'd like to, I know we are very pressed for time, but I'd like to make the most of this opportunity. Looking back, in the last couple of months, Dubai, Cape Town, Wellington, Sydney, Las Vegas, Vancouver, Hong Kong, Singapore, Paris, London. The legs, the IRB legs that you've all participated in, especially the men's team. What we pose to you today, these are your warm-up games in preparation for what's coming up next month. We know everybody's been behind you. You see in the social media, you see in the print media, we hear about people talking about it. Fiji and her people has been behind the two teams. So for that, we thank the management team, all the management, all the coaching staff. We thank all the families. We thank all your sponsors. We thank you as individuals who are inspirations to our own individual families.